Good morning, good afternoon, or good evening, whatever time you're watching this educational video. We will be discussing about Kirchhoff's rules in terms of KCL, or the Kirchhoff's current law, and the KVL, or the Kirchhoff's voltage law in series parallel connection. Okay, so let's begin with an easy. I provided one easy connection. I provided one sample. Okay, but before anything else, we will review the Kirchhoff's rule. So we have the KCL. It's the Kirchhoff's current law, meaning that the sum of the current entering is just equivalent to the current leaving a node. When we say node, it's where the two wires or two or more wires connected. It is also called junction in other reference. Okay. So another thing, we have the KVL, or the Kirchhoff's voltage law. It states that the sum or tanang total voltahe is equivalent to zero. Okay? Dapat ma-recall ninyo kano sa mag-voltage drop, kano sa mag-negative ang ato ang voltage, and kano sa po siya mag-voltage drift, or kano sa siya mag-positive. Okay? And same is true sa ato ang current law. No? Tanang manulud na current sa node, we will mark it as positive in terms of its direction, while those current leaving the node, we will mark it negative. Same with voltage law. Negative voltage when voltage drop, okay? And we have a positive voltage when voltage increased or drift, okay? And now, kanang mga yellow dira nga circles, tiny circles, these are the node where wires are connected. And dira sa node, dili mag-store og charge. Dira sa node, pag moagi ang current, dili siya mo-store og current. Or if moagi pud ang, again, if moagi ang current, di pud siya mag block sa current ka moagi diha sa node. Okay, kaya ang thinking nato, when we connect wire, ato man na siyang ilupot, no, para ma-connect siya. Wherein, atong unang-una, pag ang current will pass through that knot or kanang ato ang connect no wire, there is a disturbance of its flow, which is dili, no? Unless resistor siya. Resistor resists the motion of the current. Okay. And now, if ever nga naay current ni sulod dira, that's 3 ampere. Tanawa. Naay current ni sulod, no? And it's 3 ampere. Ang mugawas pud ana is 3 ampere gihapon. Okay? 3 ampere, and then connected na siya dito, maski na resistor, barahon lang niya, still 3 ampere. Whatever ang nisulod sa node, mo po ang value ni gawas niya. It's just that kung tagaan ito direction, this will be negative and this will be positive. Okay? And another node here, we still have 3 ampere. Okay? 3 ampere, ma-conserve naman yun ang charge, or ma-conserve naman yun ang current. And nain mo gawas diha nga, let's say 1 ampere. And then, of course, dapat ang dito po sa pikas na wire, para equal siya sa 3 ampere, we have 2 amperes. Okay? If we will mark it as our, to show direction, this will be going out. So negative po niya to ang 1 ampere and 2 amperes. Okay? Then, if ever nagyapoy current diri moagi, since we have 1 ampere here, 1 ampere po na ang moagi dira. Okay? And kaning ato ang 2 ampere diri nani siya continuation, wala na ko giapil, balik na siya diri. Okay? Still 1 ampere. Ang pagbalik niya, of course, 2 ampere ma-conserve lang. That's 2 ampere. Nanulud ta na, no? Positive ato ang convention ani, sign convention, positive and positive kay nanulud ang arrow sa node, and therefore paggawa sa node, that's 3 ampere. 2 amperes and then 1 ampere, equivalent to 3 ampere. Negative if it's going out from the node. If ever nga need ang direction na, but in our calculations later on, dili man kay nato ni siya magamit unless i-prove nato nga walay charge or walay current nga nadungag or walay current nga nawala, no? So we have to the direction matters para ma-cancel out siya. And then ma-zero, meaning zero, walay na dagdag nga charge or current, walay na wala sa no current. It is being conserved all throughout the loop. Okay? And kaning direction ani, tuyok-tuyok ra man gyud ang current, no? Tuyok-tuyok ra na siya labati ana tuyok-tuyok. So we call it loop, no, in our lesson. So let's have another schematic diagram of our series parallel connection. And we have nodes here. Yung mga circles diri, these are the nodes. From A, B, C, then D, E, and F. If you notice, diri mag-enta na, no? Kani? Diri mag-abot tanan ang ato ang current. Kaya siya mag-abot tanan. And let's try to find out kung saan na siya, no? Then we will evaluate the mixed combination. Okay. Many series na part na po ni parallel na part sa ato ang connection. Then let's say for example, this is current 1, tanawa ang arrow. Or it comes from this, terminal of the battery. The convention, ang ganitong sabon, the convention current or traditional current, it will flow from the positive terminal, meaning taas na po nga line diri, to all the way to the negative terminal. That's the conventional current. Okay, so this will gonna be our I sub 1 or our current one passing through this resistor. Then look at the arrow. Let's say it's 3 amperes. Then you will have current flowing to this direction. This will gonna be our current 2. And it's 1 ampere. So obviously, again, according to KCL, whatever gets inside, it will be equivalent to what goes outside the node or the junction. So we have 1 ampere here going out, going inside the node or node B is 3 amperes. So obviously, this is equivalent to 3. Sorry, 2 amperes. So 2 plus 1, we will have 3. Okay, and that is our current 3. Another current flowing all the way to this side. And what do you think is the value of this current here? Since we have 2 ampere, it will be conserved. So it's still 2 ampere. That's our I4. And to complete the circuit or the loop, we need to know that the current passes all the way to node F. Okay, connected na siya sa battery. So, since 2 ampere is moving inside the node, so obviously, it will leave same ampere. So our current 5 will be 2 ampere. Okay, if you will mark the directions, those current going inside the node, you will mark it positive, and those current moving out from the node, you will mark it negative. So moving out from the moving into the node, that's positive. Okay, sulod siya diri sa node D, tanawang arrow. I4 gets inside node D, so ang paggawas sa current gikan sa node D, it's negative. Okay, and then if it passes node D, so tabo manulod naman ning 2A nato diri, and we also have 1A na nisulod diri, no? Okay, so 1 plus 3, that's 3 ampere. Ma-conserve ra gyud ang charges or moving charges or current all throughout the loop or the closed loop. Ma-conserve ra gyud siya. Okay? Again, ang manulod na current, tanawa lang ang arrow. Ang manulod na current, market positive, and then ang mugawas market negative. Pero needed lang na siya if we want to confirm if walay charge nga na dungag or nawala. Okay? Dapat mo zero mabudang equivalent. Ano niya? The sum of all the charges or moving charges or current na nagtuyok sa loop equal siya sa zero. Okay. I guess it makes sense. So, kani class, daghan man gud kay siya variables sa current, no? Up to 5. And if mag-solve tag current, mangita tag current ani nga schematic diagram, kaning isa ka loop diri, i-treat na to ni siya as one equation. And this another loop, ato po siyang i-treat as one equation. So, natay duha ka equations diri, no? And we will be using the eliminations. I hope nga elimination method. I hope nga naka-recall pa mo na in your algebra, no? Basic algebra nga mag-eliminate tag variable para makuha na to. For example, mauna to ang current 2 and then mag-eliminate isolate na to ang current 2 and then i-substitute na to ang value ni current 2 kay current 1 para makuha po na to sa current 1. Okay? Basic of elimination method. So, since daghan kayo siya, pwede na to siya i-polish, no? Let's say, para duha lang ka variable atong makuha or ato ang ma-derive, no? Para dali ra kay ta mag-eliminate variable, duha lang, no? So, let's say, let's look at current number 3. Kani. Si current number 3, if you notice, pagawas siya nga arrow, no? Si current number 3, pagawas nga arrow. So we can mathematically or logically think nga kani si 2 ampere nga mao'y value ni I3, it's just the difference aning I1 kay nisulod man si I1 sa node B ni gawas pud sa pika side si 1A, no? 3 amperes ni sulod niya nigawas sa pika side si 1 ampere niya nigawas pud diri kay I3 si 2 ampere. So we can say nga the difference between I1 and I2 is equivalent to I3. I-minus nato si 3 ug si 1, the answer will be 2 ampere. So we can say nga si I3, it's just the difference between current 1 i-minus nato kay current 2. So in our sample here, current 1 is 3 and then si current 2 nato kay 1. So 3 minus 1, that's 2 ampere. Munang value nato kay 3. So pwede na to ilisdan ang kining variable ni 3, no? Ni I3 into na siya makita into I sub 1 minus I sub 2. Current 1 minus current 2. Okay, mo na siya ang equivalent ni current 3. And remember, ang current 3 nato, same ra na iyang current nga moagi diri. 2 ampere and then 2 ampere. So kani sila 4 nato, no? Kaning ato ang current 4. Hold on. Kani ato ang current 4 ug si current 5. Same ra man siya ampere. Pwede na to siya equate as kani gyapon, no? Si 1 current 1 minus current 2 and current 1 minus current 2. Okay? At least na lang tay duha ka variables which are current 1 and current 2. Okay, kung daghan kaayo, pangitaw na to si current 3 or nanatay tulo, madugay ta, no? And time is our enemy when we will be answering problems like this. So we will try the simplest method para makasave po tag time. Okay, I hope it makes sense. Let's proceed. Again, it's loop A, itong ingon na po, and then loop B. Ang isa ka loop, i-treat na to siya as one equation later, and then the other one will be another equation. Okay, so ingon ani, we will have values now. Our resistor 1 is 2 ohms. Resistor 2 natin is 4 ohms. Resistor 3 natin is 3 ohms. And then 5 ohms, resistor 4. And then, we have volts here. Volts, 20 volts. Remember, these are your nodes connecting wires. And the arrows here represents the current flow. Yung mga arrows. Remember, arrows entering the node is equivalent to arrows leaving the node. Okay, and moving charges or current is conserved all throughout our loop or circuit. Let's try to find out. Okay, and we need to find out the current flowing in and out of nodes. Okay, and we also have to figure out the voltage drops across the loop. And before I forgot, erase that tayo. Okay, erase. Limit ko na. Okay. If you could still recall, if you look at the resistor, if there will be no polarity, when we say polarity, nagtapok ka ng negative sa pika side, nagtapok ang positive sa pika side, or battery na to. Resistors also, they have polarization. So let's say for example, wala nakabutang dira ang polarity sa resistor. It's understood that it's a normal or standard na resistor. Meaning to say, it will cause voltage to drop. Pag yun niya ang voltage aning normal resistor. Pag agi sa current, voltage will drop in here. Okay? So if voltage mag-drop and the current flows conventionally, traditionally, it will move from the positive terminal to the negative terminal. Uyok siya hangtod maabot siya balik diri sa ah, negative terminal. So pag moagi ang current gani diri sa atong resistor, ang mahitabuan na voltage will drop. So ang atong polarization ani sa standard nga resistor is from positive, positive niyang first diri nga terminal maagian sa current, and negative. Meaning from positive to negative, it makes sense mo drop. Positive then negative. So the voltage will drop. Same with this. So the current is flowing this way. So resistor will make voltage drop. So dapat positive ni diri and then negative ni diri. Same po diri, ang current nato is diri nga direction, pababa. So we can have positive ni nga terminal sa resistor nato and this is negative terminal. Diri pod, padulong man diri ang current. So this will become positive terminal and then negative terminal. Basta normal ang atuang resistor or standard siya. The main point or the main function of resistor is to resist the current and then it will cause voltage to drop. So tuang polarization ani sa tuang resistor. Kasi wala na siya gibutang dira. It's understood that it's positive and negative. Pero naapoy time nga butang gyud siya sa illustration sa circuit nga ang polarity sa atuang resistor kay nadiri si negative nya nadiri si positive ibalik niya diri ang current if you notice. So the current will pass to the negative terminal of the resistor and then moadto siya sa positive. So ang voltage ana class kay positive, no, saka voltage drift. Pero sa normal, ipa-drop yun niya ang voltage. So that's why pag agi sa current positive to negative gid siya. Kani is the opposite. It will make the voltage go up. Nay cases nga ibutang ko siya sa circuit. Okay, so careful pa. Okay. And that's it. Tanawon sa nato unsaon pagkuha ang current, no? This is current 1, current 2, And then katong giingon nako ganina nga instead of having a lot of currents, no, subscript, so i-maintain nato nga pwede duha lang para madali na siya eliminate unya. So remember, our current 1 minus current 2 is equivalent to current 3. Pero pwede na ito ibutang ang current 1 minus current 2 para na lang tayo duha ka variable. Current 1 o current 2 lang. Wala na tayo current 3. Okay? Ano siya. So we will use the same schematic diagram presented, but this time we will figure out the current flowing in and out of nodes. So we will have first loop A. This is going to be our loop A. And of course, this will be our loop B. Again, we will treat them as individual uh, flow of current, no? And we will make an equation individually. Let's begin with loop A. So if you notice, ang arrow na to is tuyok naman yun atong current, no? So if I will draw again another arrow here, additional motion of current from from positive all the way to negative. Para sa negative diri sa taas, tara ang arrow na to and mo continue na siya tuyok in a loop just like this. Ana, repeating. So if you notice, tanawa nga tong arrow, tong gitudlo na ko sa inyo ha. If you look at the arrow, it's from passing the negative to positive. So from positive to negative, what will happen to your voltage in that case? Negative, unya ni positive. So you will have a positive voltage or the voltage drifts, saka. No? Negative, unya na himong positive. So atong ibutang nga value ana later, kay dapat positive ato ang voltage. Okay? And now the current will flow this way. Agi ang current diri sa atong resistor 1. Again, normal resistor, so it's the main function is to drop the voltage. So from positive to negative, yun ni pirmi diri. Kung gi-illustrate na ganina. Ang mahitabo ron, it's what will happen to the voltage pag moagi aning resistor 1, it will have a negative voltage. Ngano man, ni drop lagi ang voltage pag standard ato ang resistor. Okay? Unless gibutang dira nga negative diri, no? Or atong ingon nako nga palitan ang resistor, gibutang gyud mismo sa circuit nga sorry. Gibutang mismo sa circuit nga ang nag-una sa iyang polarity, it's not positive but it's negative. So kung negative na diha, nya positive ni diri, then the current flow this way. So from negative to positive, the voltage will drift, saka. Pero pag wala siya gibutang dira ang polarity sa resistor, automatic nga i-drop gyud niya ang voltage. So positive yun ay una maagian sa current and then mo negative siya. Tanawan direction sa current kung moagi siya resistor nga walay polarization, so understood nga i-drop ang voltage. So positive to negative. Dako din gamay. Ana lang atong pag-memorize ana niya. Okay? Like this one, padulong man diri ang current, so positive negative na to siya diri. Okay? So natay una, positive 20 volts. Ganun positive 20 volts siya, kaya ang ato ang current is niagi diri ni saka ang voltage. Then Y negative ohm current 1. Kay pag-agi sa current sa resistor 1, nag-drop ang voltage. So, i-negative na diha. Negative itong ibutang diri. Remember, the formula to get the voltage, it's voltage equivalent to IR, VIR, which is resistance times current. So, mo nang gibutang diri negative, kay para ang answer nimo negative ang voltage. Kay mo negative, magnamay voltage drop diha, mahitabo. So, ginegative na to diri, minus, then we have 2 value of our resistor, 2 ohms, and we do not know the current yet. So, natay current 1. Now, pagbaba niya sa loop, agi siya aning resistor 2 na to, no? Anong resistor 2 na to? Tara niagi ang current diri. Sa resistor 2, tanawa ang pag-agi. Agi siya sa positive terminal sa ato ang resistor. Then gawa siya diri sa negative terminal sa ato ang resistor 2. So from positive to negative, voltage will drop. Positive dako, then yung negative. So voltage will drop, so natay negative diri. Value of our resistor 2 is 4 ohms. And then we do not know the current yet. Wa ta kabalo sa current 2. So we will equate it to 0 now. And then we can simplify this one. So we can move 20 to the other side of the equation. So from positive, it will become negative. And then we have a negative 2 ohms current 1 minus or negative 4 ohms current 2. So in this case, we can, yung gibuhat na ko diri is multiply na ko both side by negative. So negative times negative, that's positive 2. And then negative times negative, so you will have negative 4. And then negative times negative, you will have positive 20. Again, kasi namali na ingon ganina, negative times negative 4, it's positive 4. Then pwede ra po inyong ni-add na ni daan, negative 2 and then negative 4, so that's negative 6. Ana ang mahitabo. So the first equation, hold on. Yeah, the first equation, kanilang sa di ay, atong buhaton. Ayaw sa to i-add diretso diri, yung nagbuhatag equation diri ah. Wala pa ta kabalo unsay value ni current 1 ug ni current 2. So we will stick to this. Ayaw sa to i-add si 2 ug si 4. Okay? Okay. Paon na to si current 2, paon po na to si current 1. So this will gonna be our first equation. If you want, sagot na po ni class. Okay? Gibuhat na ko ganina is i-multiply lang na ko ni siya negative diri. Ug kani pud nga side negative. So nanatay first equation kani. We will try the next loop, loop B. In loop B, tanaw na to, para maniyahang direction sa current, no? Magian niya ang resistor 2. Nawa kong drawing, makita nimo. Magian niya ang resistor 2. And if you notice, it is against the direction of the current. So from positive, dapat ang current positive to negative. Niya, ang ato ang resistor diri ron, it's negative to positive. Muna ingon ako, pag negative to positive, negative gamay, yan, positive, the voltage or the resistor will have a positive. Okay? The voltage of that resistor will become positive. Okay? Matag resistor na gyud nay voltage. Okay? So gi-positive na to ni diri, it's because the current flows from the negative terminal of the resistor to the positive terminal. Negative to positive. Next, tuyok siya. Agian niya ang resistor 3. Pag agi niya sa resistor 3, look at the polarization or polarity of the resistor from positive to negative. So positive, gamay, mahimong negative. So we can have a negative voltage diri. Unang negative na dira. And if you notice, the value of ohm here is provided. And then our current is, remember, it's not current 3. Kaya tuang gi make sure nga duha lang ka variable para madali ta og solve. Anyways, you have any means to do this. Yeah, di mo ganahan ani basig namoy other method. Pwede ra jud kayo. Pareha ra gyud tag answer at the end. So multiply lang nato siya sa ato ang current 1 minus current 2. Supposedly this is the value of the current 3. Pero wa tani gamit og current 3 para dali ra ta mahumano. So again, multiply lang nato ning 3 ohms, value of the resistance of resistor 3 sa ato ang current nga current 1 minus current 2. Kuyog pa gyud siya, maagiana niya ang resistor 4, no? Pag agi niya sa resistor 4, value sa resistance sa resistor 4 is 5, and then ang current nato, sa gani current nato, same lang gihapon. Instead of current 3, atong gihatag yung equivalent, which is 1, current 1 minus current 2. And that's 0. Next, ato lang ni ipang multiply ning 3 nato sa unsay nasulod sa itong parenthesis. Same with this 1. Ito lang ipang multiply so we can have this equation. 4 ohms current 2 minus 3 ohms current 1, since negative 3 ohms times current 1, so you will have negative 3 ohms current 1. Now, negative 3 ohms, multiply na to sa negative current 2, so negative times negative, positive, then 3 ohms current 2. Same lang gyapon, negative 5 ohms, i-multiply sa positive current 1, you will have negative. And the negative multiplied to negatives, you will have positive, then 5 ohms current 2. Let's combine like terms, no? Anyways, pareha sila tanan, pero ito lang ipang tapad ning mga naay current 1 diri, mga current 1 o ang mga current 2. Okay? And then if we will be multiplying, if we will add this, so negative 5 ohms current 1, and we have negative 3 ohms current 1, so negative 8 current 1, ohms current 1. And we also have positive 4 ohms current 2 plus 3 ohms current 2, 5 ohms current 2. So we can have this answer. Negative 8 ohms current 1, kani silang duha. Kung i-add ang mga current 1. Negative ang duha, add na to, will become negative 8. Si positive 4, 4 plus 3, 7 plus 5, 12. So you will have positive 12 ohms current 2. So this will gonna be our second equation. Impiyuhan sa nato. This will be our current second equation. Kani. Okay, now let's do the elimination. We will eliminate one variable of current. And ako ang i-eliminate lang diri sa kay ang current 1. Okay? So this will be our first equation and our second equation. So akong gi-eliminate diri kay ang current 1. So para ma-eliminate nako siya, I will multiply both side by 1/4 para ma-divide na ko siya into 4. So, negative 8 divided by 4. So, you will have negative 2. Negative 2. And then, positive 12 divided by 4. So, you will have positive 3. So, in that case, you will have negative 2. I-divide na to sa negative 8 by 4. And then, we also have 12, no? 12, you divide po na to by 4, so we will have 3. So this will be our simplified nga equation, second equation. Walang i-copy ang first equation na to, and then we will wala na to na misinterpret nga negative na. Okay? Okay. So kani ato ang bag-ong equation ron. Una to ang ibutang diha para ma-eliminate na to ng ato ang current 1. Since positive ohms current 1 minus 2 ohms current 1, ato siyang ma-cancel out. So, ang mabilin is kani positive maning duha, so 4 plus 3, you will have 7 ohms current 2. Add man nato ni silang duha kay current 2 man ni sila nga mga variables, no? and we have 20 plus 0, you will have 20 volts. Next thing to do is to divide both equation by 7 ohms current 2. And cancel na nato ning 7 ohms current 2. 20 divided by 7, you will have current 2 of 2.86 ampere. So nakuha na nato si current 2, wala pa ta kabalo ni current 1. So we will substitute the value of current 2 in any of our first or second equation. Okay, depende sa inyo nga asa. Ang gipili na ko diri is kani first equation para magamit. But the value of current 2, we will replace it by the value atong nakuha seconds ago. It's 2.86. So ato siyang i-change. Current 2 is now 2.86. And then if you will multiply it by 4, so it will become 11.44 ampere. Giwala na ko ang unit para dili kay ta mga libog no, basta ang desired unit ani kay depende sa variable niya. So now what will be the next thing to do? Transpose 11.44 to the other side of the equation. It will become negative. And then copy to current 1. And then 20 minus 11.44, you will have 8.56. Then we will divide both equation by 2. Cancel 2. And the value of current 1 is this. So we now have the value of current 1 and 2. So let's go back to our circuit. So we figured out already the currents. Current 1 is 4.28. Current 2 is 2.86. So we will put this value or magnitudes to our illustration here. And then later on, we will figure out the voltage drops. Okay, standard man na to ang mga resistor, so ginapang drop yun ang voltage ani. And according to KVL, dapat mo equate siya into 0. Okay. So si current 2 na to, gibutang na ko diri ang value ni current 2, it's 2.86 ampere. Si current 1 na to, it's 4.28 ampere. Nako diha. And if we will do the math, we have current 1 minus current 2, i-minus lang nato ning duha. Si current 1, i-minus nimo si current 1 sa 2.86, ang iyahang difference is 1.42 ampere. Okay, confirm na sa inyong calculator. Current 1, i-minus nato by current 2, mao ni iyahang difference. So, same lang gyapon diri nga part. Same lang na sila nga current ng flow kay ma-conserve gyud ang current. And then diri po. Tapos, ang mahitabo ani is sige, diretso na ta. Wao na to ang voltage drop across the loop. Each resistor, kada resistor na gina siya voltage. Okay? And the formula to get the if nisulod man nino, nisulod man sa node, so ang 1.42 ampere ug ang kaning nisulod pud nga node sa I current 2 2.86, i-add na to na sila kay nanulod man sila, positive man na sila nanulod. So 1.42 ampere plus 2.86 ampere, it will have 4.28 ampere. Then magbalik-balik ra gid na pag tuyok sa current, balik-balik ra na ma-conserve ra gid ang current all throughout the connection. Okay? Now, let's figure out the voltage drop. And remember, Ohm's law, it's VIR to get the voltage. So we will get the voltage of resistor 1. So we have resistor 1 here, value 2 ohms. And then we have the current nga niagi sa iya. What's the value? It's 4.28 ampere. So we have 4.28 times 2. You will have voltage 1 sa ato ang resistor 1 is 8.6 volts. Next, sa loop na to, we have resistor 2. Value of its resistance is 4 ohms. And then let's look at the current nga ni agi diha. So the current flowing through that resistor is 2.86 ampere. So we put it here, 2.86 ampere, and then the product is 11.4 volts. For loop B, for resistor 3, that's the resistor 3, and then the value of its resistance is 3 ohms. 3 ohms is here, multiplied by the current. Ang nigawas ng current 3 is 1.42. Nisulod ani nga node, and then nigawas po siya as equal ra gihapon, 1.42 ampere. Niagi siya diri sa resistor, so we'll have 1.42 ampere. So 1.42 ampere times 3, that's 4.3 volts. Then we still have the last resistor. So we will get the voltage of resistor 4. Resistor 4, the value of resistor 4 is 5 ohms. And then the current flowing, ang ni-flow nga current diri is pareha ra gyapon sa katong nisulod na current ganina padulong sa kaninga node. It's 1.42. Ang mogawas pud ana niya 1.42 ampere pud moagi sa resistor 4. So we put it here 1.42. Okay. Ka-series man pud siya connection. So same ang current sa ato ang series. Okay? And then diri na ta. So natay 20 volts sa battery na to. Ihatag na niya diri ang 20 volts sa first node. Okay? And then pila ang atuang voltage aning resistor 1 nakuha naman nato. Tara. So the value of its voltage it's 8.6 volts. I-minus na to na para makita na to nga ni-drop gyud ang voltage. So 20 minus 8.6 volt, ang mabili na volt is 11.4 volts. Kaning 11.4 volts, padulong ni diri pikas nga node ug padulong pud diri sa pikas nga node. So unahon sa nato ang loop A. So ang 11.4 volts moagi aning resistor 2 nato. Pilay volts sa resistor 2? It's 11.4. So 11.4 ang ato ang volts diri. So i-minus na tong 11.4 sa 11.4, matic 0 yun siya. Okay? So it confirmed the Kirchhoff's voltage rule or law. Okay? Nga mo zero tanang voltage sa kaning nga loop. Sa next pud nga loop, kaning loop B na to, so mahitabo ron, ang kaning 11.4 volts mao po na ang volts nga mahatag pa diriha ani padulong ani nga node. So we have 11.4 volts here. And then what's the volts of voltage nga ato ang na-calculate sa R3? It's 4.3. 4.3 volts. I-minus na to sa 11.4 volts. So you will have 7.1 volts. Then sa 7.1 volts, muna'y volts nga mahatag niya aning resistor, ang pinakalas nga resistor. So the value of our last resistor here is 7.1 volts. So 7.1 minus 7.1, 0 volts. So it still confirmed the KVL. Okay, that the sum of all the voltages must be 0. Okay? So I hope this video medyo taas siya, medyo langay pag-explain, but I hope it gives you some insights on how to apply the KVL and KCL if ever we have this kind of connections. Okay, that's it for this video. Thank you so much for watching. I hope you learned something, and see you on my next video. Bye for now.